Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started the channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock market of USA, Canada and UK, and I also share my daily analysis on 10 Forex currency pairs including Euro USD. Okay. And please do not mind because I do not have any professional setup. I'm just doing this from the comfort of my home. Okay. So this analysis is for Tuesday, 23rd February 2021. So as this analysis is for today only, so I'll be just going through the 1 hour time frame only. Yeah, I'm not switching to the weekly time frame or 1 day time frame. Okay, just 1 hour time frame. Okay. So right now, the price is 1.21497, and you can see on the screen that I have marked two levels. The first level is 1.21759 and 1.2097. Okay, and I'm a trader who likes to trade from level to level. Okay, so right now it's trading at this particular position. But I'll say that the safe place will be to trade around here. Okay, in case it comes down, okay, in case it comes down and reaches this particular level, and if you can spot some reversal sign like this or price rejection from below, then you can go ahead and buy. Okay, and if it doesn't come down to this level and reverses from here, then this level is where you need to watch the movement. Okay, this particular level, it may reverse from there or it may give you a breakout. Okay, so in suppose it crosses this particular level, or if it crosses this resistance level, then you can buy here. But I'll say that this won't be the perfect place to buy in case of breakout, because again you can see that there is a uh, resistance here also. So once it crosses this level of 1.2175, just let it trade above this level for an hour or 2 hour. Just let the resistance become the support. Okay, then only you can execute the trade. If you are familiar with the concept of support and resistance, so you know it pretty well, I guess, that support becomes resistance and resistance also becomes support. Okay, so let the market cross this particular position and let this resistance become the support, then you can initiate the buy position. And in case if it fails to process the level and comes down or reverse from this point, I'll say that you can go ahead and short the market, but it would not be a wise decision, because the market is an uptrend. You can see the market is an uptrend, and it is not wise to go against the trend. So only buy above this level. You can buy here also. Okay, if it comes down to this level, but do not forget to take the confirmation of the candlestick pattern, volume, any indicator of your own choice. That's completely up to you. Okay, so these are the levels for the day that you need to watch. Hopefully you'll have understood. If you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for daily market analysis. If you want to know more about me, you can check out my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.